Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Kapag mag-a-apply ka ng Hazardous Waste Generator Registration Certificate, kailangan mong mag-submit ng official letter of request. So dito, meron tayong example ng letter of request for application and issuance of Hazardous Waste Generator Registration Certificate. Basically, naka-address ito sa Regional Director ng concerned regional office. At sinasambit mo dito na ikaw ay formally applying for registration as a hazardous waste generator and you are requesting the issuance of a DNR ID number in compliance with DOUT 2013-22 or the revised procedures and standards for the management of hazardous waste. And lastly, you submit this letter of request sa online hazardous waste management system, but make sure na signed itong ating formal letter of request. So ang content natin, we have the date, for example, April 5, 2026, addressed to the regional director of the concerned regional office, in this case, EMB Region 4A, addressed to Honorable Robert Angelo Metin. The office address, PITX Tower 2, Barangay Tambo, Parañaque City. Subject, official letter of request for application and issuance of hazardous waste generator registration certificate. Dear Director Metin, good day. In line with our commitment to comply with Republic Act number 6969, otherwise known as the Toxic Substances and Hazardous and Nuclear Waste Control Act of 1990, we respectfully request the issuance of a DNR identification number for our establishment. Our company, so lagay natin dito, name ng ating company, ABC Company Inc. Ito rin yung nakarehistro sa company registration system. So dapat consistent. Located at yung ating address ng company and the operation like is engaged in restaurant. As part of our operations, we generate hazardous waste that require proper management, handling, storage, transport, and disposal in accordance with existing environmental laws, rules, and regulations. In this regard, we would like to formally apply for registration as a hazardous waste generator and request the issuance of our corresponding DNR ID number through your good office. We are prepared to submit all required documents through online hazardous waste management system and comply with the procedures and guidelines set by the DNR Environmental Management Bureau. We are hopeful for your favorable consideration of this request. Should you require further information or clarification, please do not hesitate to contact us. Tapos lagay na lang natin yung ating contact information. Thank you very much. Sincerely yours, Mr. Peter Pan, President, ABC Company Inc., and then date signed. So this is the sample letter of request. Wala namang pro forma sa official letter of request. So this is only a pattern. So, pwede tayong gumawa ng ganitong letter of request, pwede nating i-improve pa ito, pwede nyong dagdagan or bawasan. But make sure to address the letter of request sa regional director and then indicate nyo yung inyong company, address, and then operation and duly signed itong ating letter of request. At isasubmit natin ito sa online hazardous waste management system. So I hope you have learned something on how to prepare a letter of request for our registration as a hazardous waste generator.